Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today let's get to it. As you can see my nice car. I want to unbox it. You guys, I want you to take me along with it because I bought this one because I really love sports cars and fast cars, yeah. So it's a Mustang and it's 50. I don't know what 50 mean, even though I bought it, and you can see over there. Yeah, so 50 Mustang, and it's yellow in color. Let's come into details. The tires, guys. The tires, when you're driving it, they are rolling like, they are rolling like, I don't know, beautiful, yeah. So, and then let's go to the mirror. These mirrors are so designed, when you just start it, it just closes it itself, and then when you come out, as you can see it locks. I don't know if other cars does that, if they lock the door. And at the back, oh, it's my favorite. It's my favorite because it's like it's spotty, and it's really wrong because it's a two-seater. Yeah, but I think I did a mistake because with these cars like this, the police, they like to stop you all the time. Trust me, they stop me all the time. Yeah, but anyway, I'm having fun with it, and they can go up to speed of 220. I don't know, I used to think only German cars can go that speed. Yeah. Yeah, those are my bikes at the back over there, as you can see. Yes, and the scooter, electric scooter too. Yeah, so let's zoom these tires. Seriously, that tire, you know how much is one tire? One tire is $600. These are like all weather tires, but I have even winter tires. And maybe I should go and show you the inside, right? Yeah, so this is how the inside looks like. This is the inside. Yeah, so let's start from here. What's this? You can see, yes. Oh, let me zoom. It's not clean here. It's not like clear here. So anyway, I'll just show you just the basics. It has leather seats. It has the screen over there. Maybe I should start it and show you guys. This is the passenger seat. That's the back seat. Yeah, so that's how it is. I'm loving it. So maybe we can just talk a little bit, and as I show you, this is where the music is. Oh my god, this rating is terrible, but anyway. And you can see, like, because the door is open, it's showing you the door is open. It's so like sensitive. Everything is so sensitive. Yeah, the door, you can see the door over there. It has the things to close. I don't know, I'm not a good explainer, but anyway, you can see, you can tell. And here we have the gear thing. We have the park, reverse, neutral. What does MD means? I think it is, I don't know, I think it's M and MD, medium, maybe middle something, I don't know. Yeah, so, and then it has these ones over here, auto, on and off. When you want it to be cool, you go that side. When you want it hot, you go the other side. There is AC, there is a radio over here, the volume. The inside it's dark because I'm in the garage, guys. That's why you can't see me properly. Yeah. And my garage, I have a camera right there because this is expensive car. I have to have a camera. You can see the camera is right there, a surveillance camera, just in case someone decides to steal my car. And this is the door. Let me lock it inside so that you know it's mine. I didn't borrow it. Yeah, So guys, I know people are like, oh, can you go for a ride with it? Maybe I have to do another video on going for a ride with it, and I'll show you everything, you know. Yeah, so guys, this is how it is. So guys, so that's how it is. So let's just get into details with it. Yeah, so that's how it is. Yeah, you know, I love it. I love it. Oh, it's fast and furious. I think I should make a movie. So anyway guys, that was just, oh, I didn't show you the front guys. I think I should show you the front. I think I should show you the front of this car. That's the front. That's the front. What kind of animal is that? Those are the numbers for this car. It's beautiful. So yeah, so that's how it is, and beautiful. See, I love it. See the tires, they have that animal over there. Anyway guys, I'll see you on the next one, and bye bye for now.